A lot of people don't know what to do when they get a negative 1-star review on Google. This is actually quite easy, okay? Google has been very good recently at erring on the conservative side when it comes to when it comes to keeping the reviews there. What I'm trying to say is, if somebody left a negative 1-star review with almost no information, while that review is new, what you need to do is go and report it. Don't sit on your hands. Don't be super worried about it. Simply report it. Report it many times. And the best way to report it is when you actually claimed your Google business profile, so you can respond to comments and you own that business. And you don't respond to the comment, because when you respond to the comment, you actually solidify it. You're telling Google it's a legit metric, and now that your response is there, the comment is actually seen by Google as more legitimate. What you want to do is not engage with it. You want to flag it for removal. You want to flag it, and there's going to be a few options, and you want to choose the most relevant one. You want to say either it's a competitor, or you want to say this person had nothing to do with your business. That's another option. It's not phrased that way, I'm just paraphrasing. And there's going to be another option that says not enough information, invalid review, and likely you want to choose invalid review. So you're going to choose one of those things, and you're going to flag it. And then you're going to go in, and this is a good way to test you're actually logged in to your Google business profile. You're going to go in and flag it again. And Google will actually tell you you cannot report a review more than once. That's a great sign. That means they're going to review it. And likely within 24 to 48 hours, it's going to get removed. If it doesn't, within 24 to 48 hours, go back and do it again, and do it several times. We were able to remove several reviews for a transportation company just simply within the last few months, okay? Well, the campaign was a few months ago. It only took us a span of, a week or two to do that. And then on top of that, we solicited new positive reviews. From a 3.3-star review, we brought it up to a 4.7, okay? Some of our positive reviews dropped off, and it sat at about a 4.3, a 4.5. That's how we remove negative reviews. We flagged them the moment they came in. Now, once they're like 1 or 2 years old, they get a lot more difficult. And once you respond to them, it gets also a lot more difficult to remove them. So in the other way, if you've just solicited 20 positive reviews, you can go in and respond to all 20 the second they come in. That's going to tell Google those positive reviews are great. They are real, most likely, and most of them, if half of them or more, will stick. So you want to think about it that way. Again, how do we remove a negative review that comes in through Google and it's fake? We want to report it. We want to report it with the account that we claimed and that we own. If it doesn't get removed, we're going to report it again. We're not going to respond to the review, and then we're going to report it again. Obviously, if then it never disappears, unfortunately, it's probably not going to go away, but I would keep trying that. Eventually, especially if that account doesn't have enough history, it will get removed. If it's not working for you, reach out to us, and there's a good chance we can do it, even for a contingency fee, which is something new that we're doing lately. There's a call link in the description down below. My name is Nadernejad. It's been over a decade in the online reputation management industry, and thanks for watching.